Assalamualaikum everyone, Information Box Ticket Lifestyle. Today's topic is
Paragraph writing topic: Global warming.
the increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere is known as global warming. Moving on further, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button to stay updated with my new videos. It is caused by an increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which leads to a rise in temperature. Because of man's vast deforestation operations, global warming has been hastened. The rise in average global temperatures on Earth over time is referred to as global warming. It has been described to man's large-scale deforestation for many reasons. It has been ascribed to man's large-scale deforestation for many reasons. We use a lot of gasoline every year. It has become impossible to fulfill people's fuel needs as the human population has grown. Plants prepare their food using carbon dioxide and emit oxygen as a byproduct. As a result, if there are enough plants, they will absorb extra carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, slowing the rate of global warming. Planting more trees can help to reduce carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, thereby reducing global warming. The term global warming refers to an increase in the Earth's average global temperature. Global warming is primarily caused by the burning of surplus fossil fuels and the emission of poisonous gases into the atmosphere. Living creatures may suffer catastrophic consequences as a result of global warming. Global warming has a wide range of effects that are difficult to pinpoint. Some places see a sharp spike in temperature while others experience a sharp drop. The combustion of fossil fuels for energy is the primary cause of global warming. The average global warming temperature has risen by 1.5 degrees Celsius in the last decade, according to the reports. This is a cause for concern since it has the potential to harm ecosystem and cause environmental upheaval. If we take a real efforts to restore the destroyed vegetation in our forest, we can slow down global warming. To combat global warming, we may also employ renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and tidal energy. We must use natural resources wisely because they are scarce. When natural resources such as forests and water bodies are overexploited, the ecosystem becomes unbalanced. The rise in temperature is only one aspect of global warming. It has a variety of additional impacts as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Natural catastrophes such as storms, floods, avalanches have struck many regions of the globe. Global warming is to blame for all of these occurrences. We must restore our ecosystem to protect our environment from the negative impacts of global warming. Man has been abusing natural resources without providing anything in return to the environment. This must come to an end. We must all work together to make the earth a better place for future generations who are just as deserving of our planet as we are. Planting trees is the most fundamental action we can do to improve our planet's overall health. Our first objective should be reforestation. If we promise to plant as many trees as we can in our lifetime, the world will be a better place. The world is on fire and we are the ones to blame. Global warming is defined as an unprecedented increase in the Earth's global atmospheric temperature. Since the previous decade, the average global temperature has risen by 1.5 degrees Celsius. Global warming is a collection of interconnected events that contribute to the eventual rise in global temperatures. It has a wide range of impacts at many levels of ecosystem. In certain regions of the world, the influence is little, while in others it is substantial. Carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere as a result of the burning of fossil fuels and mammalian respiration. Because of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, heat rays radiating from the Earth's surface become trapped. The greenhouse effect is a term used to describe the phenomena. To keep our world from becoming a frozen ball, we must take action. However, too much carbon dioxide traps all of the heat that escapes the Earth's surface, resulting in global warming. Greenhouse gases are the principal contributors to the global warming. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone are the main greenhouse gases. Global warming occurs when these gases are present in imbalanced proportions. Global warming has the potential to wipe out the whole human population from the Earth's surface, thus, it must be addressed as soon as possible. While the harm cannot be undone, the consequences can be managed to some extent. The first step is to spearhead a massive afforestation campaign. Then, instead of using traditional energy sources like petroleum, we may use greener alternatives like solar and wind energy. And that's it for today. Keep your earth safe because the earth is what we have all in common. And progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. Time spent among trees is never time wasted. Thank you for watching this video. If you like today's topic, do leave a like and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.